Hello and welcome to the lecture. Let's look at what we have discussed in this section. Well, we have discussed about the HTML tags. We discussed about tables, how to create tables, how to create heading, footer and content, how to create borders for the table, and what is cell spacing, cell padding, column span and the row span. Then we talked about how to embed contents, like how to embed an image, how to embed a video, and also how to embed an audio. We talked about form methods, how to do a get and a post method and what is the difference between the two. Then we looked at the form action, how to navigate from one page to another page using forms when a user clicks the submit button. Then we talked about form fields, how to create text boxes, radio buttons, check boxes and all sorts of form elements. Then we talked about meta tags. Then we talk about difference between div and a span and when to use div. Well, we looked about div and span containers. Well, you can do a quick check. Visit any website, right click and check the source code. Well, you will find that div is often used in the web pages. Then we talked about white space, entities and case sensitive. Understand what is the importance of white space and also how to use entities in the HTML pages. Then we talked about iframes, how to embed multiple HTML pages in one page and how to embed a YouTube video onto an HTML page via the iframe. Okay. Then we talked about additional HTML tags for formatting the text. Well, there is also documentation reference for all these things that you have learned here. In that documentation reference, you will always find tons of examples and exercises for you to continue learning more about these tags.